Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA is moving here still sort of sideways. However, we have a development since the last video and we have this breakout out of this channel to the downside here currently. Mentioned to you that this is not a reliable pattern. Yesterday we talked about it only. You could even say we have a small head and shoulders here, sort of sideways here, which shows weakness and a lack of momentum in the chart. So what I still cannot rule out, even though it would become a massive wave 4, I just can't rule out that this wave 4 is still ongoing. It would be massive compared to what's going on down here, but again, it's not like invalid or anything, but it would be quite huge and the proportions would be a little bit out of shape. In that case, we would probably get something like a WXY here, so where we had a wave W here, ABC, here next wave to the upside, ABC, because we didn't get 5 waves, right? And then here the Y wave still to come, ABC. Could also become an ABC pattern, A, B, and then 5 waves down in C, so that's possible as well. In fact, the only thing is WXY, you basically only use the WXY if you have a 3-3-3 pattern. So if you don't get 5 waves down here, but only 3, then it's a WXY. So yeah, that's the situation. The thing is, because this green area is the relevant support area for the wave 4, so we can still have it here on the chart, you can see. Between the 3.42 cent level or 3.41, depending on how accurately I draw it, but I think it's 3.41, there you go. It's a 50% retracement. A drop below that would mean that this rally is for now over, and then we have a much deeper setback, possibly into the region down here around 2.5 cents. If we break it, we can specify that further. So therefore, I'm still focusing on higher as long as we're holding this 3.42 cent level. This here leaves a lot of room open for speculation. There are various possibilities. My view is at the moment that there is a chance this wave 4 is over, but of course I don't know the future. Therefore, I'm giving you this clear support area and tell you that as long as we're holding this, we can move higher. Either in this 5th wave still, yeah, this could still become a diagonal pattern with a 5th wave to the upside, or that we're just still finishing off the wave 4 here, will come into the green support area again and will then move up. But if we break out of this support area to the downside, I will have to assume that wave 1 was finished here, and I would probably have to count here a very small something like that, yeah, 3, 4, 5, and then we finished here this wave 1 and we're coming down now. But the move down currently looks corrective. It looks corrective. We however have to note that we are breaking out of this wedge pattern at the moment, which is an unreliable pattern. Did mention that in the previous video. And this wedge pattern or ascending broadening wedge, these are typically breaking out to the downside. Of course, you never know when, so it could be that we get one more leg up and then break down, but obviously we already broke down now. As you can see, if I zoom in, looks like we broke out. We're currently doing the retest, and if that retest is successful, that might be even a, let's say, a micro short setup to get into this green area if you want to trade that. And then we will have next support here, probably around the wave 2 low at 3.82 cents. But it's generally losing momentum to the upside, so it seems to me, we have signs of exhaustion here. Signs of exhaustion, why? Because I'm now on the 1 hour chart here, that's fine. So we have signs of exhaustion because we are currently seeing a bearish divergence on the MACD. So we make a higher high on the price chart, but a very clear lower high on the MACD. Same situation on the RSI, of course. Not only on the 1 hour chart, we also see that, do we see it on the 4 hour? Yeah, we see it on the 4 hour chart as well. And here on the MACD as well. And the negative momentum is currently increasing on the 4 hour chart. So these are all signs that we are sort of in a level or in a range of exhaustion. However, we are currently holding really well support. I mean, this is not, it's not like the sellers are selling into the rally straight away. So we're actually holding that. And I can only repeat it, as long as we're holding the 3.42 cent level, we can still focus on higher, because this could still be a wave 4 here currently. I have to tell you, if this top is already in, then we will come down lower, and we are then looking for, but I cannot really give you the support area yet really and define it, but just to give you a first idea, we might come into the region between 2.4 cents and 3.1 cents. That's between the 61.8 FIB and the 78.6. However, if we then drop below that 78.6 FIB, then the whole rally is probably over, and we have to see all of this as just a corrective move, which I currently don't see. I think the rally will probably continue a bit further, but it's not about what I think, it's what about the levels do and the market does, and we need to understand the pivot points and when such patterns get invalidated, right? Okay, I'll keep you updated here about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.